Hello and welcome back to my channel. I had a few minutes and I thought that I would sit down and record the flip through of Blushing It. So this is one of the new sticker books from the spring release, 776 pieces, and this is a Happy Planner sticker book. I love the pink and the black in this book, so I knew it was one that I would use. Plenty in here to do several spreads in your planner. Lots of boxes. Lots of quotes. And then you have a remember important today to do appointment goals, and then some hearts, and these are all the clear stickers. And you have 2 sheets of those. And then you have some of the smaller boxes and quotes. A sheet of the clear hearts, and a sheet of the clear gold foiled hearts. Some of the bigger quote boxes and some bullets. Some more boxes. Some washi, which is really cute. And then some like appointment boxes, some flags, some smaller little quote boxes, and even more boxes. I love how many boxes they include in this sticker book. And then you have some of the clear quotes. And then just some corners and some cute little clear headers, or however you want to use them. So that is all of the Blushing It, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not already a subscriber, I hope you'll stick around and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.